Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Pastor Benny. I am the founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. All right, and I also go by the Forex Pastor. And this is just another inspirational video coming to you guys. But please always remember there are risks involved, and there are risks involved in any and every trade that you do. So, risk in any type of investment, guys. It doesn't matter if you're doing stock, crypto, foreign exchange. It doesn't matter. Just know that there are always risks involved, and please know that past results are not indicative of future profits. All right, past results do not indicate future profits. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am just a guy who trades forex, and I'm pretty darn good at it. So I decided to start my own community and teaching individuals how to create multiple streams of income through forex and possibly replacing their 9 to 5. All right, guys. So that is the intro. That's what's going on. So let's take a look at this really quick. Look at what we have right here on this candle right here. We have the market makers inducing this bullish candle. All right, on my chart, the orange candles are bullish, the white ones are bearish. Okay, and this is my workflow template that I have set. But here again, we see where the market makers, they came in. Really, this whole move from about here, and I am in a deficit on this. I trade off of the 4-hour chart, and so I got a little early on this reversal, but they decided to come up and test these supply price points and also these supply areas. So more than likely they may come all the way up here. What's today? Thursday. It may come up here Friday if they don't touch it today. But this is a good place for us to get in to scalp. So that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, again, so from here to really here, from these candles here, the market makers, they did this, okay? Also from here to here, the market makers manipulated it, okay? Here is my workflow trading candle, if you will. I'm sorry, not candle. I don't know why I'm not thinking, but my workflow reversal arrow is popping up here on the 15-minute chart. So intraday traders, this may be a good spot, simply because we have had really market manipulation from here to here. All right, and now we're starting to see where they're not involved in this candle right here. All right, so what we will want to do is simply just wait and see, because obviously they have been inducing traders to go long. Okay, they've been inducing traders to go long from here to here. So over the past 1, 2, basically 3 days, and now they're getting ready to drop. They're getting ready to drop this. So, Teach Me the Fish FX trading community. You guys know the confirmations that we're looking for, that we're waiting on. You guys know how we trade our indicators. Like our indicators are just can't talk. Our indicators are just here to let us know, hey, something's going on, and it's time for us to go and take a look and pat the indicators on the back and say, good job, indicator. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I just thought I would come on and show you this. It's about a little less than a minute or 2 minutes on this particular 15-minute candle. Yeah, you can kind of see the wicks here. Normally I would definitely be trading this on the 4-hour, but even on the daily, let's see what it's looking like on the weekly. We got a downtrend on the weekly, currently on an upward push overall for the weekly, but we're looks like for intraday. All right, you look at your intraday time frames. 5 minutes already trying to push it down, but you look at your intraday time frames and you see that you see where the manipulation has gone. Let me see, what time is this? This is at, so from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 10:15 Eastern Standard Time. What time is it now? 10:44. So 10:15, 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The institutional traders have been inducing this. All right, they've been doing this, for the past 3 days, I think we counted, and so we're gonna see if they're gonna be involved in this downward push. No, they weren't involved in that particular downward push. Not significant enough, but what we will do is see, typically what they do is they push, they induce, and then they take their hands off. All right, the only way, because we don't, as retail traders, we don't have this kind of money behind us. I don't care how well you're doing in forex, I don't care how well you're doing in life, I don't care how much money you have saved up, how much money you have you can trade with. All of our money combined does not equal the amount of money that these institutional traders and market makers have, right, in order to push the market. The only reason this market pushed like this, all right, this is the start of my week right here. The only reason this market pushed like this was because the market makers induced it to go up, and they did so. See, they know exactly what it is that they're doing. I mean, just for this week alone, and this is just on a 15-minute chart. It's blue, I can't really read that. Let me blow this up. October 12th. Wow. No, I'm not reading that right. December 12th. Excuse me, December 10th. So from December 10th all the way to, what's today's date? The 12th, December 12th. They've been manipulating the market. And they faked me out, but I knew that this market was coming down. But, so we're going to wait on our entry. And we're going to make them pay for it, of course. So, live in effect, the workflow trading strategy for you guys. I know I'm not going into great detail. I'm not going to go into great detail. If you open your eyes, you can see what's going on. I mean, it is right here in the front of our eyes. I mean, we really don't need all these indicators to tell us, you know, what's going on. But what we do is we wait for confirmation. So we see it, and so I'll show you guys. This is the only trade I have left going on at 2 standards and at a deficit. It's going down. It's starting to go down now, but I'm at a deficit $788 now. It's going down. We did just capitalize big time. Made over 1,600 on GBP NZD. All right, I have a trade here where I got out on gold, gave them 13. So, but we're still doing good. We deposited $5,000 in the account, and we've profited, you know, over 10 grand. So, you know, this just happens. You know, even the best of us, even your best mentor. I can start naming them off, but I'm not, because I highly respect them. They lose money too. So, and as much as, you know, we preach patience, that thing is it's a hard thing to sit on and sit on your hands, because you want to be at the very top of the move. And so, even as a mentor, that's one thing that I'm constantly having to teach myself and tell myself is, hey, you don't have to be at the very top of the move. You know, you can wait. All right, you can wait. So, this price point is based off of the 1 hour. Okay. Again, when we take a look at the weekly is currently in a downtrend. Pushing its way up. So you see where, let's go to this week. Technically we can come out here because structure was here. But even if we came here, you know, guys, the downtrend, the trend line was broken, but the actual downtrend has not ended yet. Okay, this downtrend really will not end until we break here. Let me just do this, do it like this, until we break this price point right here. This is on the weekly. I'll change this color. Let's go to lime green. There's no lime green on the chart. But until this price point right here has been broken, technically the downtrend has not ended. Okay, because all we know is that it can come all the way up here, okay, and test this price point and shoot down. All right. We do see this bearish candle here, where the market makers, they jumped in here, pushed that down a little bit more, let up off of the doji, and then jump back in to push this engulfing candle. So right now it is going to be a downtrend. I'm going to jump in here and try to catch an uptrend back on the weekly. We see here where it's going to be kind of an uptrend. See, they induced, get that off of there. They've induced this candle. All right, this week right here. This is all market makers. All market makers right here. This whole week. All market makers. Market makers, look. They pushed this one. They pushed this candle down. Let up off the gas on this one. Pushed it up. Pushed this one up. Pushed this one up. Pushed this one up. Let off on the gas. Pushed this one up. Induced going down. Down. Kind of just let it hang. And now push them up. Classic excuse me. Classic spring maneuver right here. If you guys know who Mr. Wyckoff is, classic spring right here. It created this spring. You guys know how springs work. Bam, 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 bam. They shoot up. So I wish I would have got in on the weekly, but hey, it's all good. We'll take this. So we're basically again waiting for our signal to get in. If it gives us a signal, I hope it does. But if not, I hope you guys have gotten some type of insight. They're still pushing. These guys are still pushing. So let me see, which one was it? They pushed this one and they pushed this one. Okay. They didn't touch this. So it won't go down yet. They may bounce around to this lower part here of the supply area. Most recent supply area, you see here. Let me go to the 4 hour. We can see that a little better. What does it look like on a daily? Yeah, this is the most recent supply area right here. So I believe they're gonna make a stop here, collect some sell orders for a period of time. All right, this is just my analysis. They're gonna collect some sell orders for a period of time and continue on off of this weekly spring. So they may come back down. Let's turn into an analysis. They may come back down to this price point, or maybe even test the demand area in its entirety before moving upward. But based on the week, they are moving up right now. But again, the downtrend has not reversed completely, right, until this area, and maybe not even until that area. But we'll be able to fully say, okay, yeah, now the Australian US dollar is in an uptrend. All right, so basically meaning the Australian dollar would be more valuable than the US dollar, but right now it's not. But yeah, guys, so this is pretty much me just kind of glancing at the chart. All right, so again, market makers really pushed. They really got behind this one. They pushed this one up just a little bit. All right, look at they only pushed this one up just a little bit to push it up into this area, because we all know that you want to buy high and sell low. All right, and so that's what these guys are doing. They're inducing the retail traders. All right, they're inducing us to buy. All the while they know that, hey, we're putting in there are stop losses here, stop losses here, stop losses here, and so they crash the market down against us. So, and you guys see it. You guys see it right here. You see it on the screen right here. They're turning around. They may end up making. We don't have a railroad or anything like that. This may be a V straight away. All right, this may be an A straight away, but they could end up making a double top pattern, an M pattern. They could be making a head and shoulders right here. All right, you see where it came up here, came up here. I bet many of you guys trading the market makers method. I'm pretty sure you probably thought that, hey, oh, this is my M. I'm getting ready to go down. Sure, if I plot the moving averages that you guys use on here, definitely would have crossed the 5 period, maybe also the 13. But you see here that even then they were just inducing, right? So it's very important. Like I salute the market makers method and everything, but it's only a piece of the puzzle. Like, it is only a piece of the puzzle, and there is a bigger puzzle out there. All right. Now it is a significant piece. I promise you, it is a significant piece. It is a significant piece of the puzzle. Oh yeah, see they're getting it. They're getting into this one. It is a significant piece of the puzzle, but it is only a piece of the puzzle. Promise you. So yeah, we see that they're getting, now look, they're getting behind this move. We got a few seconds left. They could be making an M pattern and then shoot down. But I think I'm gonna hop in here. Got 2 accounts I'm trading, so I'm gonna go ahead and sell that. Then I have a smaller account that I'm flipping for you guys. Where I had like $49 in there, and now it's up to $125. So we pull up Aussie USD. I need to hurry up and get in. I hate it when it does that. So yeah, they may be making an M pattern. So you guys see this. You see it live. I go live for you guys. Win, lose, or draw. I'm not scared. Win, lose, or draw, baby. Is that the right one? Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. It should be the right one. This is Aussie USD. So I'm getting in, but we'll see. I don't know. I was gonna say maybe I'm getting in at the apex of the M, but we'll see. Oh, no wonder. Long time frame there. It wasn't adding up for me. So yeah, guys. Yeah. So we're in profit now. We're up 2 pips on that trade. We'll see if it comes back down to this one. You know, maybe I can minimize the loss on that one, but you know, just don't know how far it's gonna come down. You know, I can project that it'll come down to this level here. This is a pretty significant level. So they may, you know, come down and break, you know, go ahead and break right through that. They may not. Maybe they might break down, consolidate a little bit, kind of like how they did this. Then shoot down. Yeah, it looks like a classic head and shoulders that's forming on a 15-minute chart. All right, for AUD, USD, Aussie dollar. So, and let's see. I'll go ahead and show you guys this. Let me switch over. Oh, this is kind of small, but you guys see where, let me see if I can make this up a little bigger. You guys see where I took those trades and compounded them, right? I had $49 in the account and I compounded them. You can see the very top trade started off with 10 cents, and I was able to move down, and basically just doubled all the way down to 8 cents. Made a $9.82. Let me get back over here while I'm talking. Made a $9.82 profit off of 10 cent, $16.28 profit off of 20 cent. $26.73 profit off of 40 cents, and a $23.39 profit off of 80 cents. And I had a trade where I goofed up. I was thinking that I was on GBP NZD, but I was on the Euro USD, right? And I entered a sell in back where I was compounding the 20 cent. And so I had to quickly get out of that. So that's the only loss. That's the reason why I have a loss. So $49 account pushed it up to $75. So $49 in the account. So now we're at a total of 125. And just waiting on a signal for us to go ahead and hop in. Again, this was a good one. Yeah, they pushed this candle down. This candle got pushed down. They left this one alone. This one, they were into it, right? Because it could have been all the way up here, but they did, for whatever reason, they didn't. They did not want price to go all the way up here, so they pushed this one down. Okay, bam, bam, bam. All right, got to give you a little bit of hope to think that okay, they're making a support here. All right, but I believe in all actuality, again, this market is going down. So yeah, guys, so hey, if you want to head over to if you want to sign up so you can learn what it is that we teach, head over to the website right here, the teachmetofishfx.com. Sign up on one of the trading levels. The differences are the free level, you basically teach you some things about the MetaTrader 4 app, and then also, or the MetaTrader 4 software. Do I do the app? Yeah, I think I'll show you guys how to use it on mobile as well. How to open up a broker deposit and withdraw from the broker, and it gives you a pretty easy trend line strategy. It's either trend, I think I do the trend line and the 50-50 strategy. So yeah, that is that. Guys, listen, forex is real. It's a multi-trillion-dollar industry. It's been around, as we know it, since about the mid 90s. And you know, at the time, you know, people were allowed to trade stock online, and the powers that be, you know, they were like, well, hey, you know, why not we offer the exchange of foreign currency online as well? More than likely, they wanted to be able to take the money of unsuspecting traders. They wanted to be able to do that, and so they told them sure. Did not mind. So I don't know, maybe we're gonna get like a V straightaway. All right, we might not get the Batman head, but let's see what it's looking like on the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute. They are. I like to grab my crosshair. Yeah, they were all in this move right here. They were in this move. And because they did not want it to go up anymore, they were not in these moves. And then we have this one where they wanted it to go down. And so we are currently in a downtrend, guys. Yeah, you're currently in a downtrend. You're seeing the reversal live in effect. I'm sorry I didn't stream, but I will upload the entire video to you guys. And so what I'm going to do is So I just entered in on this trade. You guys can see it's 70 cents. Alright. Why didn't I go in at more? Because there's levels to this. Okay. There's levels to this. You ease in. Alright. You don't just throw everything at it. Because even though we can read the market and we think we know what's going on, they can flip the switch. And plus, guys, I don't trade with a stop loss or anything like that. But I am mad about this though because I don't understand why. Checking the settings on something. Yeah, I don't understand that. Oh, that's what it was. Bam, there we go. So yeah, again, we have them in this move. And bam. So you guys are seeing it live. One trade, negative 750. Another trade, negative $8. And negative 98 cents on this one. It's going down, negative 63, negative 56. So this one's going down, be in the profit. It should be turning blue here in a little bit. So again, guys, you guys that are trading the market makers method and you're looking for a way to easily identify the high and the low of the day. I don't mean to sound whatever, but head over to the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. Sign up. If you want to know the real deal, if you want to know what's going on, you're going to need to be in the market beater, because the pro, you're going to get access to the training video. All right. You're going to get access to my template with the indicators that I use on it, and the weekly analysis, but you don't get the mentorship. Alright, the only time you're going to hear my voice is during the weekly analysis, and I'm only answering questions about the analysis. Alright. And then also you'll be a part of the alerts, or the not really alerts, because I'm not a signal service. I can get in trouble for that. I'm not licensed to be a signal service, but I can give my own personal analysis. So again, it gives you opportunity to earn while you learn. So, excuse me. I don't think we're gonna be coming back past that level anytime soon. So we're gonna let this one ride, guys. We'll let this one ride. We're now up $14 on this particular trade. We're down $726 on this trade down here, and we may have gotten in early off of our 4-hour trade. So let's see what the day is doing. And the week is a downtrend, trying to make a push up, but not above, not That's this price point. If you guys want to know how exactly it is I'm able to find these price points, these very, very significant price points in the market, then feel free to hit me up. Not hit me up, but sign up. I can't give away for free what other individuals have found value in. So yeah, $18. Let's see what kind of news we got coming out. The Canadian BOC Governor Polo's speech at 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's take a look at CAD USD. All right, now we're in profit. 70-cent trade, we're in a profit. The $20 trade, we're up $38. So we're gonna see how much we're gonna be able to get up on this one. All right. Listen, once you're able to identify the high or the low of the day, right? Once you're able to identify those turning points in the market, then you can apply everything else that you know. But this is why I like swing trading, because I'm going to be able to hold this a lot longer than a scalper, right? If I just sat here all day and watched this, I bite my nails anyway, regardless if I'm nervous or not. But this will be a nail biting situation. But what this does is I'm able to come to a higher time frame, right, and drill down, get my entry, and jump back. Now this is what's being taught in the community. I'm able to jump back to my higher time frame. You guys know my preferable time frame is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I'm able to jump in that and base my trades off of that, as far as if I'm gonna get out or not. Because now I'm not down here focused on the noise, right? I'm not down here looking at, oh my God, this is a demand area. Market is getting ready to turn around on the 1 minute chart. Don't have time for all that. You can miss me with that. Why not go to the higher time frame, right? Even you intraday traders, I am an advocate for the 4-hour time frame. If I can get everyone to trade on the 4-hour time frame, a lot of people will be doing well. If you can just trade on the 4-hour time frame, you scalpers, swing traders, intraday traders, if you can just trade on the 4-hour time frame, it's a happy marriage between the two. You can scalp, be in. I don't have enough patience for the daily, but sometimes, even on the 4-hour, you're waiting. You have to wait for these moves. Like, this one, we had to wait for this move to drop down. Okay, this one we had to wait for this move to go up. If you missed a good entry point here, you have to wait. So now on on the small account, I will scalp this one. I won't. We're gonna play with this one on the 4 hour as well. Guys, look at the 4 hour. Look at this big old wick on the 4 hour in this supply zone. Look, it's not letting. It's the institutional traders aren't allowing. Man, I wish I would went live, but they aren't allowing the market to go too far past this price point right here. Let's take a look at the hour. Look at the hour. It came up, but now they're rejecting it. 30 minutes. One candle past it to touch inside here. They induced this candle big time to get you who don't have the knowledge, or the individuals who don't have the knowledge, to get you to think that, oh, it's going up. Look at this. This is an engulfing candle. What did they tell you? What did they tell you about engulfing candles? I teach candle patterns too. But most of all, we teach structure, cycle, manipulation. But engulfing candles, they tell you to what? Go in the direction of the engulfing candle. Shooting down. Now, you know what? I'm talking trash. This could be a retracement. The 50% retracement of this candle. Let's see. Oh, that's right. I keep forgetting that I did that too. I did that to my Fibonacci level. But yeah, let's see. As a matter of fact, maybe do that. Let's see. So you guys can see this, what I did to my Fibonacci. Alright, this is roughly my entry. Entry point here. Stop loss here. Alright. It's about 2 times risk reward right here. So when I reach here, if I wanted to, I can put a stop loss here to break even. Once I get here, or once you get to 3 times, and you start gradually moving it down. Surprised I didn't do. I don't know why I didn't do 1-to-1. Let's see if I can adjust that real quick. Excuse me, guys. Stop. Let me try something. See if it's gonna let me do it. 1 times risk. Yeah. So that's it. It's moving slow, but we are in profit. We don't have any more USD news coming out. Let me see, where is the 1530 candle? So news came out on this candle right here. Came out right at the start of this one, and then it went in favor of the Australian dollar. No, it went in favor of, I don't know whether to do that. Okay, just not on this pair. Let me see. I wonder what pair did it shoot up on? This. All right. That. I bet gold. I bet gold was a good one. Yep. I bet this is the 1530. I don't know if this one, this counter right here, it shot up. Yeah, even on gold. Look how they push this one down. Push this one down. Now they push this one up. Gold is turned around. Pushing this one up too. Gold is turned around based off of the 30-minute chart, 15-minute chart. Just a nice little pullback. Alright, let's go back to Aussie USD. Okay. Yeah, it looks like they may be making the little M formation here, so I'm gonna let this run for a little bit, guys. I'll let you guys take a look at it. Yeah, let me do this. Let you guys take a look at this. I'm still here, just checking out something. All right. Alright guys, I'm back for a little bit. You guys see what's going on here, right? You guys see it live. Let's check on this little penny. 70 cents is now $2.52. Workflow, baby. When you know how to work the market, the pips will flow. So, anybody can do this. I promise you, I can teach anybody to do this. My 6 and 8-year-old sons, they can do this. If I can do it, I knew that they could do it. If they could do it, I know that you can do it. And you guys know what I'm all about. God is no respecter of person, man. And I'm not one to hold or hoard information. However, I had to invest, and you know, you have to invest too. I mean, that's just really the bottom line. You know, all too often do we not want to invest in things and other people, but we want stuff for free. So next to free is definitely next to free. I should be charging a whole lot more than what I'm charging to provide the training and the mentorship. But it's definitely affordable. So again, this candle right here tells the story. I'm just sitting here, guys, and we're flipping 70 cents into $2.03. That's all exponential. Right? I'm showing you guys how I'm gonna grow this account. So as long as the market does not give me a reason to get out, we'll see what this does on the 30-minute candle, on the 30-minute chart. As long as it doesn't give me a reason to get out, then I'm gonna stay in the trade and swing it as long as I can. Definitely need to wait on some confirmations on the 4-hour chart. We have time for the daily. Let's see, it's Thursday, so we have Friday tomorrow. Let's see, this is a USD cross pair or cross USD pair. We do have news coming out tomorrow at 8:30. Raw retail sales. Really haven't traded retail sales, so I don't know how impactful they are as far as, you know, making the market move. But yeah, so live trading, guys, live proof. I know I didn't stream this time. I'm sorry. I know I usually stream, but yeah. So if you guys are interested in joining, and then of course here I'll show you guys. Of course, again, I told you guys that this was at 7 something. It's at 660, and the hope is so we'll stick to the 15-minute for right now. The hope is that man, I would have to get like a 5 times risk reward on this trade to break even, to break even on this. So I may miss out on that trade. Just depending on, I mean, I don't know, looking at the 4-hour. I mean, this looks like a left shoulder right here. we could be getting ahead over here. Um, so I don't know. It may come down to retest this green price supply price point. So maybe I will be able to break even, get a little profit off of it, but we'll see. You're talking about that's not bad. You're talking about a 45 pip move. Ooh, on a pair that moves on average 52. It's already moved 41 on today. And then plus the news pushed it up, or they hit behind the news and pushed it up. Got $100 on it. I don't know. Maybe we'll be able to get it on Friday. It just depends on the confirmations that we get on the 4-hour chart today. So, if any. So, we definitely have a nice doji candle forming here. It would be even great if it can just break below this price point right here. Spot 68928 on the Aussie US. That'll be great. Getting pretty close to it on the hour chart. 30-minute chart is pushing right through it. It pushed right through this little zone that was created. All right. Demand. Look, we had a demand here, or support here. Came down, broke it, retested it as resistance. So depending on if we can get the market makers, or if the market makers could just decide to kind of get back into this thing and push that price way down. I mean, because you have guys here that are holding their stop losses here, hoping that the market would turn around. So, but we know the real push is down at this point of the day. So, whole 11 minutes. You guys don't want to see me sit here and wait. I was thinking about waiting to see if my 1 times risk reward would be hit. It may be hit. I don't know. This thing is acting kind of volatile. This thing is getting a little spiffy on us. Let's see. Yeah, they kind of push. Look, guys, 70 cent trade is now $3.43. Do you have 70 cents to spare? If you have 70 cents to spare, I can show you how to trade for it. Let's get it. TMTF FX. I'm only kidding around, man. You guys know I used to rap back in the day, so I can easily spit a bar or two really quick on deck. Y'all know how how it goes. So yes, and if you're scalping, this is your major scalping right here. It's 5 minutes and 1 minute. We barely like to be on the 15 minute, but the 15 minute gave us our entry in time. So I want that arrow here. Go to objects list. Where is the arrow? So yeah, 15 minute gave us our first confirmation. TMTFFX. You guys know what those confirmations are. All right. And so we'll hop on. Yeah, we're almost at our 1 times RR. We're about, I was backing up on us. We're like 1.5 pips away from 1 times risk reward. Alright, so okay. Alright, that's gonna be it, guys, for right now. You guys see that it's currently moving in our favor, and ultimately I'm trying to move this thing up. The more and more I get confirmations on the higher time frames, I'm trying to move it up. Probably won't go past the daily, but that's all good. So right now I'm trading this based on off of the 15. So yeah, look at this. See, they know about this, but it's all good. The Bulls are trying to fight. The Bulls are trying to get back into the game, but that's a wrap for them. For at this moment of the day, that's a wrap for them. So all right, guys. So again, if you want to know exactly how it is we do what it is we do, how do we know what it is that we know, then head over to the teachmetofishfx.com and sign up. You can also see it here, the teachmetofishfx.com. Go ahead and sign up. And so we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Been on here for like an hour and a half, so you guys have seen like this live trade going on. So yeah, feel free to go back, fact check. We got in at 11 o'clock on this trade, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Where is it? Right here off of this candle right here at spot 69004. All right. And that number needs to go down, all right, for us to be in profit. So you guys can see where they're just bouncing around at this one support level right here, or this price point, this high volatility price point here. So they're kind of hesitating right there. So we'll see what it is that they're gonna do. And we're gonna keep it moving. All right, guys, I'm out. Go ahead and go. As always, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Head over to the website so you can sign up, so you can go ahead and get an early start on a fantastic 2020 year. If the Lord shall bless us to still be living and delay His coming. So, all right, guys, love y'all much. I appreciate you guys so much for always watching and supporting. Thank you so much for helping me grow this portion of my channel. All right, I know I do this a lot, but this is a part of my livelihood. So, but you guys don't want me. You don't want me on my soapbox right now. That's a different story. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get out of here, and we'll get out on this note right here. You guys can see it going in my favor. Again, if you stay in God, you stay in control. Head over to the website, sign up, teachmetofishfx.com, and until next time, happy pip fishing, guys. Bye bye.